Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we are dealing some more problems from ellipse. So from this ellipse you are going to get 2 4-mark questions. Okay. So today we will deal 2 questions from the ellipse. So actually previously I solved the problems like finding the latus rectum, vertices, vertex, yes, and focus, like that we equation of the directrix, like that we solve the problems, but I did not solve the equation of the tangent and normals. So today we will solve the problems with respect to tangent and normal. Okay. So come to the first question. Show that the condition for a straight line y is equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So we have to prove that this line, if this line is a tangent to this ellipse, then it has to satisfy that condition c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So come on, first you take what is the given ellipse equation, right. So given ellipse equation is what is the given ellipse equation? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. So actually question is, if that is the line, right, that line is a tangent to this ellipse, it has to satisfy this condition. So we will suppose, right, suppose y is equal to mx plus c, that is, try to write in line form, first x term, then y terms and this y that side minus y plus c is equal to 0, right, be a tangent to the ellipse, tangent to the ellipse. Okay. So this is the tangent to the ellipse. So there will be point of contact. What is meant by tangent? The line which touch the curve at one point, that is the point of contact. So come on, let P x1 y1 be the point of contact, right. Then equation of tangent to ellipse at P x1 y1 is, what is that? S1 is equal to 0, right. It is a formula, equation of the tangent to the ellipse is S1 is equal to 0, that is S1. What is your S? This is your S, right. So given ellipse equation is S, in that S1 is the equation of the tangent. So it is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Try to write constant term into x, that means line form, right. So x1 by a square x plus y1 by b square y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. So this is the equation of the tangent to the ellipse, this one is equation to the tangent to the ellipse. I said this is the tangent and P x1 y1 be the point of contact, means both lines represents same line, isn't it? We have taken this as the tangent of the ellipse and P x1 y1 be the point of contact. Again I have taken the equation of the tangent at P x1 y1 only, that means your 1 and 2 represents the same line equation. So 1 and 2 represent same line, right, represent same line. So whenever two lines represent the same line, we have to take x coefficient by x coefficient is equal to y coefficient by y coefficient is equal to constant by constant. Okay. So what is the x coefficient? This is the x coefficient, x1 by a square by what is the x coefficient of this line? M is the x coefficient, right, is equal to y coefficient. What is the y coefficient? Y1 by b square by what is that y coefficient? -1 is equal to constant. What is your constant? -1 by constant of that one is c. X coefficient of this line by x coefficient of this line is equal to y coefficient of this line by y coefficient of this line, constant of this line by constant of this line. Okay. So now this can be written as x1 by a square m, right, is equal to y1 by minus b square. Okay. So is equal to minus 1 by c. So try to get x1 y1. How we will get it? x1 term to constant, y1 term to constant, you equate. Once you take these two, once you take these two, you will get your x1 y1. So x1 by a square m is equal to minus 1 by c. So what is x1? x1 is equal to minus a square m by c. Similarly, y1 by minus b square is equal to minus 1 by c. Minus minus cancel, y1 is equal to b square by c. So therefore, p x1 y1 is equal to minus a square m by c by b square by c is point of contact, is point of contact, right. So this point lies, isn't it? Here we have taken, let p x1 y1 be the point of contact to this tangent. Tangent means the line which touches the curve at one point. That point we have taken as p x1 y1. So p lies on which equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. So in y coordinate b square by c is equal to m into, come on, x coordinate is a square m by c plus c. So it is b square by c is equal to minus a square m square by c plus c. Okay. So is equal to c is the LCM, minus a square m square plus c square. C cancels, right. So bring that value this side, it is a square m square plus b square is equal to c square. That is what we have to prove. Prove that c square is equal to a square m square plus b square is the required condition, right, is the required condition. Okay. So this is show that problem, hence proved, isn't it? So whenever we are having show that, prove that, we have to write hence proved. Okay. So once again, what is that? We have to prove that the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c, right, is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So come on, first given ellipse equation is this one, right, a standard ellipse equation. So first you take y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent. Suppose y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse, right. If it is a tangent means line is a tangent means line touch the curve at one point, that point is called point of contact. So, let P x1 y1 be the point of contact. So, now equation of tangent to ellipse at that point formula is S1 is equal to 0. So, in the S equation, S means a given standard ellipse equation, in that we will take x square plus xx1, right. S1 it is a notation. So, what is its notation? Xx1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Try to write a line form, it is a tangent. So, try to write a line form. Line form means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form you have to write. Okay. So, now actually we have taken this is the tangent and this is the point of contact. Again equation of the tangent at that same point, that means these two lines represents the same line equation. So, if 1 and 2 represent the same line equation, then we have to take, whenever it is the case in mathematics, two lines represents the same line, then we will take x coefficient by x coefficient is equal to y coefficient by y coefficient is equal to constant by constant. We can take first and second or second and first, both will be same. So, x coefficient, right, by x coefficient of this one is equal to y coefficient, and here y coefficient means minus 1 into y we can write. So, minus 1, right. Then constant is minus 1, here constant is a c, right. So, we have equated. Then we got like that x1 by something is equal to y1 by something is equal to some constant. We want x1, y1 value. So, equate x1 term to constant, y1 term to constant, and get your x1, y1 values. So, p x1, y1 is the point of contact, and this point of contact means the tangent touch the curve at that point, means point lies on the tangent. So, this P lies on y is equal to mx plus c, substituted, you got your required condition, hence proved. Okay. So, next come to the second question. Okay. So, what is your second question? Show that the equation of the tangent at p theta, right, on the ellipse S is equal to 0 is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Okay. So, come on, here it is given that ellipse S is equal to 0. So, this is the equation of S, standard ellipse equation, okay, is denoted by S. So, for that we have to show that for this ellipse equation, equation of the tangent at p theta, actually points can be taken in two ways. One is x coordinate, y coordinate point wise, another form is parametric form. If we take the point in parametric form, it will be represented by p theta. Okay. So, come on, first what is the ellipse equation? Ellipse equation is ellipse equation S is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1 is equal to 0 or is equal to 1, right. Next we have to take the tangent at p theta, then point p theta is point p theta is equal to, so we have to take the coordinates in terms of theta now. So, it is a cos theta comma b sin theta. This is called parametric equations. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta are called parametric equations of the ellipse. So, instead of x and y, we will take the values in terms of theta. It is given in the question only, right. So, we have to find the tangent of this ellipse at this point. Okay. So, this is one. So, equation of tangent to S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1? I said now only in previous question we discussed, it is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1 is the equation of the tangent. At x1, y1 points now are a cos theta and b sin theta. Okay, so implies it is x into, come on, in x1 place a cos theta by a square plus y into b sin theta by b square is equal to 1. A cancel. So, it is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. This can be written as C. We have to prove x by a cos theta. Yes, we can write it, no? So, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Hence, this question also show that problem, right? Hence proved, right? Is the required tangent equation. Okay, so hence we proved. So this is very simple problem, right? So first equation of the ellipse we will consider that as S. Standard form equations can be taken as S, it is a notation, right. Next we have to take the tangent at p theta, right. Show that the equation of the tangent at p theta on the ellipse S is equal to 0. So what is your p theta? That means a point in terms of parametric form. So we have to take the points in terms of thetas. So it is a cos theta, b sin theta, right. So we take the points as a cos theta, b sin theta. Equation of the tangent to S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. So what is the equation of S1? It is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. But at what point we have to take p theta? P theta is a cos theta, b sin theta. So in x1 place you substitute a cos theta. In y1 place you substitute b sin theta. 1a, 1b will get cancel, and answer is x by a cos theta. Just adjust it according to the answer. Hence we got our required tangent equation. Okay, so come on, we solved 2 problems now. Actually second one is very simple problem, but once it was given, that's why I solved that problem on the board. Okay, so first one is most repeated 4 marks question, right. So in the first question we have taken y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse, means the line touch the ellipse at one point, that point is called point of contact. You consider that p x1 y1 be the point of contact. Okay, so now equation of the tangent to ellipse at p x1 y1, formula is S1 is equal to 0. It is a notation. So its formula is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so how we can write this one? Try to write in line form. Line equation will be always ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So x term should be there, y term should be there, constant terms should be there. A, b, c are real numbers. So that's why here also I changed this. Changed means just I rearranged, right, this in a line form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form I arranged. Similarly, you arrange this line equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. So actually this is the tangent. I said p x1 y1 is the point of contact, right, and I have taken equation of the tangent, right? At the point P x1 y1 is S1 is equal to 0 means here I said P x1 y1 is the point of contact of this tangent with the ellipse, and here I am saying equation of the tangent to the ellipse, same ellipse at the point P x1 y1, that means both represent the same line. So, if in mathematics both lines represents the same line, we have to equate x coefficient by x coefficient is equal to y coefficient by y coefficient is equal to constant by constant we have to take. So, like that I have taken here, then I got like that x1 by something is equal to y1 by something is equal to constant, right. I need x1 value, y1 value. So, equate once you take x1 term constant and get it your x1, similarly y1 term and constant, try to get your y1 value. Once we got x1 y1, that is the point of contact. So, that definitely lies on the tangent y is equal to mx plus c, right. So, in y place y coordinate, in x place x coordinate, that point lies, satisfies. So, substitute, right, and taking the LCM as a c, here c square c cancels and bring that minus a square m square this side, a square m square plus b square is equal to c square is the required condition, hence proved. Okay. Second problem is we have to find the equation of the tangent to ellipse, standard ellipse only, but at the point P theta it is mentioned. So, we have to take points in terms of theta. So, how we will take points in terms of theta means a cos theta, b sin theta, it is again a formula, the values in parametric form of the ellipse, right. So, it is a cos theta, b sin theta instead of x and y, right. We have to take the points in terms of theta, that is a cos theta, b sin theta. So, equation of the tangent to the ellipse s is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0, S1 notation is that one, isn't it. So, in this point, right, in this tangent we have to find at the point, find out this tangent at the point a cos theta, b sin theta. So, that point has to be satisfy, right. So, it will satisfy the equation, that is why in x1 place you take x coordinate, in y1 place you take y coordinate, right. A will get cancelled and you will get your required line equation is the tangent equation, okay, hence proved. Okay. So, practice these problems perfectly. That is all for today. Have a nice day.